Hi, I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to do a swipe and I'm going to be using some Floetrol from the USA and Floetrol from Australia in it so we can see a little bit of the differences. And then I have all these awesome colors. There's oranges at the front, a homemade burnt orange by Golden. Then there's other colors. There's gold, copper, and a homemade kind of metallic, which is copper mixed with black. And then this is house paint. And I'll tell you more about the mixes as we go. My base paint is made up of white eggshell house paint. And it's 2 parts paint to 1 part pouring medium. The pouring medium is mixed 75%, 70% Floetrol to about 30% polyurethane varnish with a satin finish. All my coloured paints are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts USA Floetrol, and then they have a little squirt of Golden GAC 800 in them as well. My swipe paint is mixed 1 part paint and then 3 parts Floetrol, whether it be the Australian Floetrol or the USA Floetrol. So the Australian one is a bit thinner than the American one. This is the USA Floetrol. And this is the Aussie Floetrol. Cells are coming up much quicker on that, much quicker. That was Aussie Floetrol. This is beautiful through here. The cells that are formed are amazing. The Aussie Floetrol that I've got is new. I just ordered it. So I'm going to give this a bit of a spin. Love it. As I come up close, you can see that the USA Floetrol here is not as defined as what the Aussie Floetrol you can see here is. There's a lot more cells, there's a lot more lacing. I liked it so much, I thought I would do another one. This time I was only going to use the Aussie Floetrol mix for my swipe. Same colours, and hopefully I'll be able to pair the two together. I put the colours on in a different order as well, just to create a little bit of diversity between the two canvases. I'm going to bring the first canvas back in and do a little bit more work on it so the two complement each other nicely. They're on different heights, but they connect really well together, just like that. That's beautiful. It's like Australian desert, it's aboriginal colours. So here's the first one. That's where this corner is where the American Floetrol is. Everything else is actually USA Floetrol. This is the second canvas, which I really love. Just the cells in it, particularly in that corner. And the lacing, it's just beautiful. Well, thank you for tuning in. Don't hesitate to create. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm loving seeing all my subscribers go up, and thank you to all those that have subscribed. Hit that like button like this, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Don't hesitate to create. Bye.